Hi everyone, Sunday, May 15th, 2016. I just did that review of the Andonstar digital microscope. I went ahead and set it up on my solder station. I found a better way for me to use it, and I'll give you an overview. This is my normal solder station. I have a JBC soldering iron that I absolutely love, and a hot air rework unit. Anyway, normally I just had this desk lamp and this little LED lamp clamped to the side on my soldering station. But now what I did was I mounted the microscope assembly upside down from a shelf that I had, and then I hung my monitor off that same shelf. So now I've got it adjusted pretty high, and I can push this button and turn on these side lights. I can also, let me back up, I can also turn on the LED lights and really brighten it up. Anyway, this is certainly easy to sit up straight, reach in there, touch things, inspect, solder, unsolder, whatever. I still have the problem with the aspect ratio. Let me see where I can demonstrate that. Okay, and I'll zoom in even further. Let me use the digital zoom and just refocus once. Alright, notice how long this pad looks. Okay, watch, we're going to just rotate it. Now the pad looks really short. So there's some kind of aspect ratio. I think it's that my monitor doesn't do 1080p resolution. Maybe somebody out there can answer that for sure. I hope it's not something fundamental about the angle of their lens on their camera. I doubt that they would make a mistake like that. Anyway, but now as you can see, I have clear motion to move anywhere, certainly within the range of board size that I use, and it's just sweet. I don't even like it in the zoom mode. I would move the camera even a little bit further away, I think. Although it's about perfect. If I pick up my soldering iron and I reach in, I can definitely be on top without being in the way of the light or anything. I actually just used this device. If I tip it, I can read the text on that little transistor. SAP, it says. This transistor right there. And I had an unknown strip sitting here, and I didn't know what was in it. And normally I'd have to pull out a little handheld eye loop. But now I'm confused. I'm not used to using this yet. Anyway, I can just tip it to the right angle and easily read that that does not say SAP. This says LD3. I think these are diodes. I think it's a diode that I had. Anyway, just showing you all how I implemented it. It's pretty nice. Alright, bye.